What's good, YouTube? So today I want to make a video on how the month of February ended well. Even though we started in the middle, we did some mistakes, but then we closed it well. Basically in the greens. The month ended in greens. Not too much though, but not too bad. Especially for after taking a break in January, like December, January, not trading. Yeah. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get it. Shit. Great. So let's get into this thing real quick. Right, I was logged in, and let me just put the active. I just currently there's only one account that is active. I mean, you can see I'm significantly up, but that's not the point. The point is here. Okay, let's go to the month of February. Right. So in the month of February, I mean, if you watched the previous video, I was talking about the shaded trades that I made and stuff. But yeah, this is the month of February in a nutshell. So what happened, I started trading this account because I lost the other account previously before, and then I got this back, and so the account started trading on the 18th of February on Wednesday, and I lost the trade, and then traded again, and I lost this trade too. On Thursday I didn't have, okay, on Friday I did have a trade, this trade. I don't know what is wrong with Gold Funded Calendar, because it's indicating here that I took the trade on Sunday, and you guys know very well that the market is closed on Sundays. So weekends, I don't know what's going on here, but this trade is supposed to be here on Friday. That's when I took it, then I won. So, and then another losing streak. From Monday, lost this trade, also lost this trade, and then I lost this trade, and then I made this profit, right? Yes, and that is the 26th. On the 27th, not sure if I took a trade, but seems like I did. Okay, let's see. All right, okay, now this is a different trade. Yeah. So basically, you can see what happens with the great risk management. I lost here 5 trades, 1, 2, and boom, I was up $40 from last week. I will show you in a bit. And that, I think I also have the records here. Yep. Yeah, we got that one, but then to the 18th, we got it. And then yeah, pretty much lost everything in this trade because it didn't last too long. Also lost this trade. This is the trades that I'm talking about. You can see here, actually my initial area, based on my analysis, my initial area of entry was this point here, if you can see it here. But then when price started forming this minor demand here at the opening, I was like, damn, I don't want to miss out, especially that I've already lost this trade. I like, nah, I don't want to miss out. And so I moved my entry point to this area. And then before I knew it, price actually retraced back to the area that I was anticipating to enter from, wicked me out, and then you can see to the moon. That was gold, by the way. So I lost it. You can see here, I can say like last week, cause I FOMOed and decided to enter above my initial entry point, and that's what happened. Yeah, this is the other trade we lost. I'm not sure if I was been uploading up or every screenshot for every trade, because I'm seeing the trades that I've won here and the one that I've lost. I think I just I didn't post those consistently on the Telegram, but I do have the screenshots on my laptop. Yes. So this one thing, this is what that brought us back. Yes, this is the trade that brought us back. So here you can see made back 1.8%. I had lost last week and plus some profits. Yeah. Yep. Anticipating entry. Yeah, this trade did not work last time. So if you can see here, so the trade. So yeah, this trade didn't play out. I lost this one. I remember very well. I was aiming for 1-to-1. It's one of the worst trades. It's this trade actually. This one here. This one here. I was trading this one here and it messed up. So let's see what else. Yep. Yeah, this gold trade was terrible. Yeah, gold tapped entry. Let's see how it's gonna play out, and that's how he played out. Messed up. There was a stop loss hit. So anticipating entry here on the USD buys. That trade also did terribly wrong. Yeah, never even stood a chance to retrace. Yeah, I want that one. This by the way, this is the trade that I just showed you on my calendar. This one here was a perfect trade. I think, yeah, this is a trade that finally broke me out of the drawdown. Got it. You can see here, made 200 something. Yeah, 222 actually. I let it retrace because it failed. You can see it failed to hit the take profit. After this, it retraced back, and I'm like, nah, there's no chance. So I just closed it out manually. So instead of 266, I made 222 minus commission. It end up being 218. I think here 286 actually. Yep. So that is all about the week. Well, this trades for the March, as you can see. Yeah, March has been pretty good. Yeah, as you can see here. So that's what happened for the whole week. For the whole of the month of February, we lost, and then we made back a little bit of profit. So now we are in greens. Let me show you. Right, you can see we are $133 away from passing phase 1, meaning, yeah, things are going smoothly. Okay, well, yeah, this is where we are right now in this month of March. As you can see, came from a terrible losing month. As you can see, my win rate is currently at 45, but yeah, I know it's gonna be up. Let me just stick to the system a little bit. So that's it. Lost some, made some. Now on a track to passing phase 1 later today. Today is Wednesday. You can see here, today is Wednesday. So let's see what happens, if we're gonna have trade today or not. Yep, and that's it. So this is what happened in February. I lost a lot of money and then made it back in profit, and then February ended. March just made it smooth a little bit. So the sale right now, it's a bit smoother. So that's it. So let's get back to the reflection part. So what really happened? How did I move from that losing a couple weeks to like just being like smooth with it. Well, if you've watched the previous video, probably you know a few things that I decided to do differently, of course. So decided to be very keen with the higher time frame, trends, directions, and behavior. Another thing that I just did lately is delay a little bit when I come to the market. And that way it gives me the window to clearly know what the opening is doing and where is it planning to go. And that has given me, I'm not gonna lie, like a very fresh perspective on price direction, especially on higher time frames. That is two things that I've done differently. Three, I just think that price has just been trending. As everyone knows, arranging markets, it's always like terrible. And so I think high time frames are very trendy, and that makes it easy to know the entry point and anticipate price target on the like for the day. And so that I think has played a very, very crucial role in this profitability week. Is it gonna be a profitable month too this month? I don't know, but let's see what happens. The good thing is I know everything that I've been doing differently. So like been writing it. So I think I'm just gonna go back and check what I did better and just keep it. What did I do wrong? And just improve it. So that is what happened, and I think that's how we ended up green for the month and also for this week, because I'm pretty sure there's no way I'm gonna lose everything I made this week in a single trade. Nah, it's not happening. So this week has been great too. And then the next video probably is how phase one has gone, because I'm pretty sure maybe the next video should have passed phase one by then, or if not, then we'll still find out what happens. And that's it for the video today. I mean, if you need help or anything, just write in the comments. Somebody can help you, or I can also write what I think if you're struggling. But if you're also good, you have to have some piece of advice. Same thing. So feel free to write a comment, leave a comment there, or a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.